Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 6 Pro. In this video we'll check if this phone supports wireless charging feature. In order to check it, let's search for it in settings. Unfortunately there's no results, so now let's check it on this device. Firstly, let me remove the case. And now let's put the phone on wireless charger. And unfortunately there's nothing happens. So to sum up, this phone does not support wireless charging feature. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.